Here I've got a Air Visual Pro by IQ Air for monitoring outdoor and indoor air quality. And I'm going to unbox it and we'll take a quick look at it. So it's got this outer sleeve which slides off, leaving us a nice blue box. And then, that came off nicely. Right, first one, we've got the user manual, which is in 2 languages, French and English, and has some various glossy pictures which are explaining the interface. And it can connect to Wi-Fi, and it's mainly going to be good for monitoring CO2 and particles 2.5. And there it is in the box. So let's take this out. In the box we've still got a UK plug which has a USB connection, and then in the middle was meant to come out. I think it's got stuck to the sleeving. Okay, we'll remove the sleeving first. So this is the back of the unit. And I'd imagine putting that to one side for a second. Here we have a USB. Now, let's finish taking this off. Comes over the top. Let's go for that one. Drop that down and remove the screen, and that's it. I think that's it. A little bit of static on the finish. Right, the device itself has got a fairly large display on the front. 4 buttons on the top. Starting on the left, we've got the power, the menu, select button, and then up and down. And then, as you can see, it's sort of hollow down the middle, which is probably to allow airflow, and the sensors are probably housed in the middle. To probably take, I think it's got a little fan in there, little intakes underneath. I'm going to plug it in. Just put it in the back. I'm going to press the power button and hold it down for 3 seconds. We get the IQ Air logo appear, and this is the first time it's been turned on, so we'll go through the setup. So use the down button and the select to go for English. I do not want to do any of them. So, home. Okay, that's good. And this room is rather warm, 27.1 degrees. Wasn't expecting it to tell me that straight out of the box. It's definitely not Tuesday the 3rd of August 1971, but we'll get that set up properly in a minute. I'm going to turn it off. Okay. And it's off.